Hello there, everyone. I'm sharing the gorgeous Strike a Pose project. It is this box slash album, and I'm going to take you through a sneak peek of the inside. Strike a Pose is available in my shop in a couple of ways. This is the project we're going to make for the Crop at Home event in September. So tickets are available for the event only, or if you want an event and kit combo. This is featuring the messages of the past paper collection, messages from the past paper collection, and it is just a gorgeous, gorgeous project. So you can get the kit complete with all of the goodies. Strike a pose. And we will be making this project from start to finish during the class. Look at this beauty, my friends. Look at this paper. How gorgeous it is. I love it. So really quickly, so this side opens. So really quickly on the inside, and forgive me, I'm doing this one hand. So let's see if I can make it happen. I can. Look at the gorgeous embellishments here and the beautiful paper. So I haven't finished matting everything, but you get the idea of what flavor and vibe I'm going with here. Look at how fun. So there's that compass. How cute, place photo here. So all sorts of beautiful, beautiful, beautiful things. There are some acetate windows strategically placed and fun pockets. There's a half pocket, just all sorts of pretty things. So I just wanted to give you a little sneak peek. By the way, this is a frame that is functional, right? So you can put a photo in there. So just wanted to give you a quick sneak peek of the project, and I hope you love it. I hope you love it. Let me know what you think. The links will be in the description box below for your kit.